Hey there, thinking about investing but not sure where to park your money? Well, you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer on investment accounts. All right, let's dive in. Today, we're pitting two investment giants against each other, Fidelity versus Vanguard. It's like the battle of the titans, but with more spreadsheets and fewer explosions. Which one is better for your money? Let's break it down. First up, Fidelity. Fidelity is like that friend who's got it all. They offer a wide range of services, from mutual funds to retirement accounts and even financial planning. They've got over 3,700 no-transaction fee mutual funds. That's a lot of funds. And their customer service? Top-notch. You can even get 24/7 support. So if you're lying awake at 3 a.m. worrying about your portfolio, they've got you covered. Now let's talk about fees. Fidelity is known for its low costs. Many of their index funds have expense ratios as low as 0%. Seriously, you can't get lower than zero. Plus, they have no minimums to open an account. So whether you've got $5 or $500,000, Fidelity welcomes you with open arms. Next, let's look at Vanguard. Vanguard is like the wise old sage of the investment world. They were founded by John Bogle, the guy who basically invented index funds. So yeah, they know their stuff. Vanguard is client-owned, which means they operate at cost. This translates to lower fees for you. They offer a huge selection of low-cost mutual funds and ETFs. And their expense ratios? Super low, often under 0.1%. But there's a catch. Vanguard's customer service isn't as stellar as Fidelity's. They've got fewer bells and whistles like fancy apps or 24/7 support, so if you need a little more hand-holding, Vanguard might not be your best bet. So what's the verdict? If you want low fees, a wide range of investment options, and top-notch customer service, Fidelity might be your jam. But if you're all about rock-bottom costs and the simplicity of index funds, Vanguard could be your best buddy. Remember, the best choice depends on your personal financial goals and needs. Do your research, and maybe even consult with a financial advisor. And hey, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer on investment accounts. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!